This glow oil does wonders to your skin. Okay, this glow oil I'm going to be talking about today, believe me, whether you are dark, you are light, you are chocolate, you are caramel, you can use this glow oil to glow your skin, to regulate your creams that you're using. Okay, so this glow oil I'm going to be talking about today is a very good glow oil. I'm going to be telling you how this glow oil works and the way it works and how it's also you can as well use it, okay, to achieve a very good result. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, thank you, God bless you. And if you are my returning subscriber, I love you all. Like, I love you just the way you guys love me, okay? And if today is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Vivian Arrows, the founder of Living Organic Skincare. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys these simple oils, this glow oil that like do wonders to your skin. Okay, this glow oil that you can also incorporate in your daily routine to glow your skin. Okay, it's not all about every time whitening cream. You know, sometimes you also like regulate your whitening creams with the glow oil. So this glow oil I'm going to be sharing with you in this video today is going to be a very good glow oil that you can as well use maybe once in a week or twice in a week, or you can as well use your whitening cream at night, then use this glow oil in the morning. Okay, so this glow oil is going to be, these are just these two glow oil I'm going to be talking about today are just some of my best glow oil, like some of my best. When I mean some of my best, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please I'm begging you to support me, subscribe to my channel. To subscribe is free. Some people will tell me how much to subscribe. They don't charge you money, like seriously, they don't charge you any money to subscribe. Okay, subscription is free, liking is free, sharing is also free. Thank you very much for subscribing. God bless you. So the glow oil I'm talking about is this. The number one I'm going to be talking about today is Tychlar glow oil. This is Tychlar. Okay, I know most of you know about this oil. I know most of you will know about this. Okay, it's stable now. Look at it. It's Tychlar. Let me bring it closer. This Tychlar oil is very lovely. Okay, this oil is very lovely. Seriously, I can't just come and tell you guys something that maybe probably I've not tried, or something that I've not seen somebody that used it and see the way it works in their skin. I can't just get it and bring it here for you guys to go and purchase. Okay, any product that I've tried that does not work for me, I can't come and do the review. Even if I do, I'll tell you that it's bad. Okay, this oil, sorry, is very lovely. This glow oil, this Tychlar here, Tychlar oil. This Tychlar oil is a lightning treatable, 100%. Very lovely oil. Okay, therapy. This oil is very good. This oil here is so lovely. Believe me guys, it glows your skin. It gives you a glow that's natural glow. It gives you that, you know, that uniform glow. Let me put it that way. It gives you that uniform, give your skin that uniform glow. Believe me guys, this oil is the boom when it comes to glowing the skin. If you are this kind of person that your skin is already bleached, you know, your skin is really flecking out, you know, you can as well endeavor to get this oil and use it alone without mixing or adding anything to it. Just use it alone. It's going to help you in like firming back your skin, glowing your skin, rejuvenating your skin. Okay, it's going to rejuvenate your skin. Believe me, this oil is lovely. It's a very good glow oil that you can incorporate in your daily routine. If you're this kind of person, you don't like using cream and all the rest, you can use this oil, you can use it alone. It's not harsh, and it's not going to darken your skin. It's a lightening oil, but they call it, there is a lightening oil, the roti there is lightening oil. But I'm going to be saying that if you're dark skin, not just look at that lightening effect. It's not going to lighten you, it's just going to brighten you up. It's going to brighten your skin. It doesn't lighten, okay? But it does a whole lot of work in your skin. Believe me guys, it does a whole lot of work. Like the lady that was asking me good glow oil that she can use, this is your good to go. Okay, these two oils I'm going to be talking today is so lovely. Believe me guys, and the ingredients used in formulating this oil is so in fact it's some of my favorite ingredients when it comes to formulation, okay, or ingredients. Okay, they use sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil glows the skin. It gives you that supple soft skin, and propylene glycol is going to help all the ingredients in this oil to penetrate. That means it's going to make it to work fast for you. Okay, so, and it contains vitamin E, A and C. Oh my god, this oil is packed with antioxidants. Okay, this oil is very lovely. It contains collagen, it contains jojoba oil. Oh my god, I can't just this oil is this Tychlar oil is good. And if you have this kind of person that the person is already aging, okay, this person is anti-aging person, I will ask you to prescribe this Tychlar oil for the person. Believe me, it's the skin is going to it's going to unify. It's going to, how will I put it for you to understand? It's going to smooth and also unify and also rejuvenate that skin that is already aging already. Believe me, all the oil using all the oil or all the ingredients used in formulating this oil is very lovely, and they are all 100% natural. They are 100%. This oil is not going to cause any chemical harsh or chemical problem or any reaction or any problem to your skin. Instead, it's going to repair your skin. This is just like a repair oil. I call it a repair and a nourishing oil. I call it a repair and a nourishing oil. Yes, this oil is very lovely. Okay, you can as well use this oil, and if you even an old person can as well use it. The old person can use this oil. If you're dark skin, you can use this. If you're caramel skin, you can use it. If you're light skin as well, you can as well use this glow oil. Okay, it's going to glow your skin, give you a natural glow, give you that, like, children's, like the way children's skin is so soft, the way that is give you a very soft and a tender skin. This oil is good. Like, it's good. It doesn't whiten you. Yes, if you're looking for a whitening oil, no, this is no for you. Okay, but if you're looking for an oil that will glow your skin naturally, give you a natural look, give your skin that tender texture and feeling, when somebody touch you, your skin will be so tender and smooth, and also glow your skin. I would advise you to go on with this Tychlar oil. Okay, it's very lovely. Let me bring it out for you to see how it's look. Look at it here. Look at how it looks here. People have asked me a lot sorry, people have asked me a lot about this Tychlar oil, that I should make a review on this oil. Believe me guys, go and purchase it if you are looking out for a good glow oil that does the work. This does the work, and it's going to glow you flawlessly. This oil is going to glow you flawlessly. When I mean it's going to glow you flawlessly, this is good. Tychlar oil is so good. But when purchasing your Tychlar oil, endeavor to purchase the good and the original Tychlar oil. Don't purchase the fake. Don't purchase the fake of this oil, please. If you purchase the fake, don't say I did not tell you, and don't tell me that this oil is bad, because I've never gotten any bad review about this oil. I myself, I use it sometimes. I use it, like I told you, that you can as well use it to regulate your whitening creams. Okay, it's not every time you just be using whitening products or whitening creams. Okay, sometimes you go on with your glow oil. When you incorporate glowing oil, okay, when you incorporate glowing oil with your whitening cream or your body lotion, believe me guys, your skin is going to look so flawless. It's not, I'm telling you, it's going to look so flawless. Even when you're using a whitening product, even if you're not using a whitening product, sometimes your skin needs that oil to glow, like that oil to nourish and moisturize from the inside, you know, to give it that good moisture. You need to apply glow oil sometimes. Like, you can, even if you're not using it every day, you can as well use it weekend. Some people tell me that when they use oil, it darkens them. If you're that kind of person that if you use oil, it darkens you, I will advise you to maybe use it when you are indoors. But this oil basically is not going to darken you. Jojoba oil cannot darken you. Almond oil doesn't darken. Instead, they contain lighting properties in it. Alright, it doesn't darken. This oil is not going to darken your skin, and it contains propylene glycol. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin A. Believe me, and this oil is full with high antioxidants. Okay, that is going to glow your skin, and it's not going to darken you. That is the truth. Tychlar oil can never darken you unless you get the fake one. Okay, it's not going to darken you. This oil is so lovely. You can as well give it a try. If you are this kind of person, you're confused, you don't know the oil to use, you don't know what to go about, how to go about, you don't know the kind of product you purchase, the one that will be okay for you, I'm telling you, my lovely ones, I can't come and deceive you guys. Okay, this Tychlar oil is so lovely. I've tested it, I've tried it. Even sometimes when I'm formulating a glow oil, I incorporate it to my glow oil. And the good thing about this oil that I love so much is that you can as well use it alone. Do you understand me? You can like use it alone on your body, even without diluting, without mixing anything. You can use it alone. It gives you, it does the work. I said this is oil that does the work. This oil does the work. Seriously, you can as well give it a try. I don't want to prolong this video. Okay, so the second oil I'm going to be talking about, and this oil, it comes in 100 ml. Yes, look at it. It comes in 100 ml bottle, and that is how the bottle look like. Okay, so you can as well give it a try and come back to testify. So the second one I'm going to be talking about today is Beauty Series. Beauty Series oil is so lovely. Beauty Series, yes. Now they have new packaging now. This is the old pack. No, I've been using this oil for a while. I like adding it when I'm making a glow oil. I like incorporating it. Sometimes when I'm making a cream, I like also adding this oil. Okay, so this is how the Beauty Series look like. Okay, where is the name? Okay, so this is how it looks like. If you look at it, you'll see that I've been using this. Look at it, look at where it is. It's not even up to half. I've been using this for a while. I've been using it, and I told you I always add it to my formulation sometimes. Yes, it's very this oil is very lovely. This oil is a very good oil. I told you that I'm going to be telling you guys my like some of my two best oils when it comes to oil that glows and does the work. It's not that they are just their most best. No, they are one of my, like, I love these oils a lot because of the ingredients it contains. Okay, so and this should, in case if you go to the market, if you didn't see this one, they have changed their packaging. Okay, I don't have that one now. Okay, this one is more like stronger than the new pack, and the pack doesn't come with this gold, so you not say it's the fake. It's not fake. They have this product, they have changed their packaging. Okay, so you can see something else, but you still see that it's Beauty Series. Okay, this Beauty Series is a very very good oil. This oil, do you know one thing I like about this oil? This oil is that oil that when you add it to your cream, or when you use this oil, it gives you that yellow undertone. Do you understand? That's yellow undertone. This oil gives yellow undertone. That's most things that I love about this oil. Seriously, if you promise with these two oils, I'm telling you guys, you will be so amazing. The results you get will be so amazing. You will be so amazing with the outcome of the results. Like seriously, if you promise these two oil there, the results will be seriously. So this is basically for this video. Okay, this is basically for this video. Let me share this lovely, my adorable lovely oil with you guys today. Okay, so guys, please guys, if you have used these oils, okay, if you're in this channel and you have used this oil, before alone, and or you have promised with this, please drop your comment in the comment section, because I would also like to know how it comes out for you, and also people will also benefit from your comment or from your review as well. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please my lovely ones, please subscribe to my channel, love and like my channel. Oh god. Let's grow together, my lovely ones. Let's grow together. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video. Like any video in this channel, you'll be first to notify. Okay, so guys, see you guys next in my next video. Love you guys always. Like